Hey guys, Coleman here, Up North Picker. Update from last video. Well, they did close the restaurants, bars, theaters, bowling alleys and stuff like that in Minnesota. Well, there's some takeout stuff, but thrift stores and local auctions are still open. And so yesterday I was able to go to one of the local online auctions that I did some online bidding on, and I won a few items, and I'll show you what I got there. And then after that, I ran about 45 miles south to one of our local in-person auctions that happens every Tuesday, and I was able to get some pretty good stuff there too. So let's get started, and I'll show you what I picked up. Okay, you can see here, I was able to get this Wii Fit Plus. That's new in the box. The box was open, but everything inside was new, still in the plastic. That also came with this video game playing chair. Now, that was thrown in extra. I got both of those for $9. I already listed the Wii Fit Plus last night for $100 plus shipping, because I'm on Dominic the Primetime Treasure Hunter's Facebook group, and he had a challenge to get people to list. And so I listed it last night, $100 plus shipping. The chair, I figure I'll clean it up and I'll put it on Facebook Marketplace for like $20. Only $9 in both of those. The other thing I got at that auction was these pair of Nike Shox. The Jordan box and all that. I paid $7 for those, and they looked real good when it came to comps, and so I'll get those cleaned up. If you're looking for something to clean those up, it's just something stupid like this. I bought it at the Dollar Tree for $1. Okay. And then after that, I took off and went to the other auction. Let's see here. I picked up all this hand sanitizer new in jars, $2.50 for all of them. 80%, 32 ounces. I figure somebody around here could use that since we're going to be shutting down again. $2, can't lose. Grab this vintage Bud racing hat. See the tags. Year 2000. Paid $3 for that. Might be a little much, but. And then I got this Demarini Little League baseball bat. That came with a level and some other stuff. $2. Picked up this feed sack, vintage, labeled, New Standard, New Star Feeds Mesh, Wabaton, North Dakota, manufactured by Matts Brown Company. $5. No, not sure on that, but I took a wing on it for $5. War books. $2 for all of them. And bird book. Now, I'll always pick up non-fiction books about war. They just sell. Rugs. These are woven rugs. I overpaid a little bit, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 of them. I paid $9 for them. They should sell for around 20 bucks a piece, though. Next, we have John Deere operating service shop copies, 885 tractor. These things I'll pick up all day, because basically they sell. They'll sell from anywhere from $10 a piece up to hundreds of dollars a piece, depending on the exact manual. I paid a little bit up for them. I think I paid $3 a piece. Yep. Nope. I paid $5 for all of them, which they're cheap. For $5, I pulled Harry Potter, which, you know, whatever. Custer's Last Stand, nice vintage hardcover. Gun Digest, Assembly Disassembly, Other Hunter's Digest, Family Magazine, that's junk. A little bit of cooking book, Food and Family, junk. Another cookbook, Flat Belly Diet. All those books for $5. Alright guys, as you can see, it's a very successful day at the auctions. But last few words here. Time to get out sourcing and get listing. It's fourth quarter, Christmas is coming, and more shutdowns are coming most likely, so get as much product as you can. And from me to you, I want to wish you all a very happy Thanksgiving. I hope all is well. And if you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. Thank you very much. This is Coleman, the Up North Picker, signing off.